In this video, I'm going to show you how to light up a torch in hand in Minecraft. So in order, of course, to do so, as you can see now, it lights up just when you put it in the ground. But I do want it to light up, as an example, even on my hand. Even if we don't have an example this, for example, we're deep here in the ground. I don't want an example to light up when I put it. I just want it to light up in my hand. So in order to do so, we will need to install a mod called OptiFine. You can just go to any web browser that you have and you can just go and type OptiFine. So once you do so, just click on the first link, as you can see right here. And here you'll have to go and click on downloads. Once you go and do so, make sure to go and download, of course, the version that you have of Minecraft. If you have any older version, just go and download that option. So once you click on download, you should be taken here. Go and click on skip at the top right corner. And here, just go and click on download, then click on save. Once it is downloaded, you will have to install it. And of course, you'll not be able to install it if you don't have Java. If you do have Java, you'll be able to install it. But if you don't, you'll need to go and download Java as well. So just go and type Java download and you'll be able to download it on your PC as well. So once this is downloaded, as an example, now you can just go and download this again. And now you can just go and double click on that as an example, and you'll be able to download this or install this right now. Once it is installed, you can just go back to your launcher. As an example, so of course you'll need to quit Minecraft and you will need to quit the whole game. Go to your launcher. On the left panel, you should find an example OptiFine version. Just go and change to that, then launch the game. Once you launch the game, you should find here a modded option at the bottom left corner. For me, I'm not going to show you my launcher, but for you, make sure to go and do so and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.